Chapter 7 System of Particles and Rotational Motion. First question: what is translational motion? A rigid body has translational motion if it moves on a horizontal surface in such a way that every particle of the rigid body has same velocity. Second question: what is rotational motion? A rigid body has rotational motion if it rotates about a fixed axis such that every particle of the body moves in a circle with its center of the axis of rotation. Give an example for particle having translational and rotational motion. Yes, the best example is the motion of the solid sphere on the horizontal surface. What is precession motion? The precession is the combination of rotational motion and the spin motion about a given axis of rotation. Center of mass. What is the center of mass of a system of particles? A center of mass of a system or a body is a point where whole mass of the system were supposed to be concentrate. Sixth question: give the location of center of mass of a sphere of a uniform mass density. Answer is at the center of the sphere. Give the location of center of mass of cylinder of uniform mass density. Answer is center of the axis of the cylinder. Give the location of center of mass of ring of uniform mass density. Answer is at the center of the ring. Give the location of center of mass of a cube of uniform mass density. Answer is point of intersection of diagonals. Does the center of mass of a body necessarily lie inside the body? Answer is no. Define average angular velocity. The angular velocity of a body or a particle is defined as the ratio of angular displacement of the body or the particle to the time interval during which this displacement occurs. Define angular acceleration. The angular acceleration of a body is defined as ratio of the change in angular velocity to the time interval. Is moment of force a vector or a scalar? Moment of force ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರೇ ಟಾರ್ಕ್. Children, torque is a vector quantity. What is the mechanical advantage of a lever? It is the ratio of load to the effort is called mechanical advantage of a lever. 15th question: what is meant by a mechanical advantage of a lever? Same answer, load divided by effort. Write the expression for the torque in terms of position vector and force. Vector tau is equal to vector r cross vector f. Write the expression for the torque in terms of moment of inertia and angular acceleration. Tau is equal to I alpha. What is the SI unit of torque? The SI unit of torque is Newton meter. Write the dimensions of torque. The dimensions of torque: m raised to 1, l raised to 2, t raised to minus 2. Write the expression for the angular momentum in terms of linear momentum and position vector. L is equal to r cross p. Write the expression for angular momentum in terms of moment of inertia and angular velocity. L is equal to I omega. Define angular momentum. Angular momentum is may be defined as it is the product of the linear momentum of the body and the perpendicular distance about the axis of rotation. Next question: define couple. Two equal and opposite forces acting on a single body at a different line of action. Define moment of couple. Product of either forces of a couple by the perpendicular distances between them. 25th question. The mechanical advantage of a lever is greater than 1. What does it means? It means small amount of load can lift a large amount of effort. Is moment of inertia is a vector or scalar? It is a scalar. What is the SI unit of moment of inertia? kg meter square. Radius of gyration. Radius of gyration of a body about an axis of rotation is defined as the root mean square distances of its particles from the same axis of rotation. Question number 29. How is torque related to the angular momentum? Torque is directly proportional to rate of change of angular momentum. What is the direction of angular velocity along the axis of rotation? Define moment of couple. Product of either forces of a couple by the perpendicular distance between them. Name the physical quantity which is equal to time rate of change of angular momentum. Yes, answer is torque. Question number 33. Answer is 1 by 12 ml square. Question number 34. Answer is 1 by 2 mr square. Question number 35. Answer is 1 by 4 mr square. Question number 36. Give the expression for moment of inertia of a hollow cylinder. Answer is mr square. That is I is equal to mr square. The answer for question number 37. 1 by 2 mr square. The answer for question number 38. 2 upon 5 mr square.